I want to bring you a message of deep respect, but concern about the issue, its divisive effect that it has had.
The what?
Divisive effect it's had on most people, and particularly bring this to from Milwaukee, Wisconsin, we're deeply concerned about the politicizing of the issue.
You certainly know that that is an issue that was introduced and completed by Ben Gurion himself. And his reason was because he was willing that in Eretz Yisrael, all Jews will begin a new epoch and a new era, and in such a manner that there will be no divisiveness, it will be one people, and because of that he introduced only one manner of marriage, only one manner of divorce, only one manner of conversion. All these things, what that is not a new thing now, it is for the old 40 years of the Jewish state of Eretz Yisrael, it is installed and invested all with all his prestige by Ben Gurion himself, and after that, after that fortified by the rabbinate, and he installed in Eretz Yisrael. And Chas v'Sholem, I hope you'll use all of your influence not to bring in a divisive factor in Eretz Yisrael, that by God Almighty's miracles, he performed the biggest miracle that the Jewish people living together. כי בשמחו שתהו